Good morning, children. We will have to solve our exercise 11.1, problem number 3 today. Now here you have given that here state whether the following statements are true or false. First of all, you have given a statement A triangle can have two right angles. Here a statement you have given that if you have any triangle, that in this triangle you have two right angles. So may be possible it or not, you have to also verify this. You know already that the sum of the interior angles of any triangle also is equal to 180 degree, and also a triangle has three angles, and in this question, in this problem, you have given that a triangle can have two right angles. So suppose if a triangle, then in this triangle you can see that three angles, but here says that a triangle have two right angles. Then what are one right angles? And also if we have to form in this triangle two right angles, then we have to also draw a perpendicular on this line. Then it can not be formed in the form of a triangle. So this statement is false. Now again you have given that. So this is the problem number 3, statement A. You also see that is false. And again you have given that a triangle can have two acute angles. A triangle can have two acute angles. So first of all, draw triangle, and also here in this statement you have to say that a triangle have two acute angles. So also in a triangle two acute angles. This statement is true. Okay, this statement is true. This is true statements. And again in statement C, each angle of a triangle can be of less than 60 degree. You suppose that you have given that a triangle, and in this triangle say here that each angle of a triangle can be of less than 60 degrees. So suppose if each angle of the triangle is less than 60 degree, that is equal to 59 degree. And also we suppose that also this angle, we suppose that this is the triangle ABC, and here C is 59 degree, and also B and C also the same 59. Then also you know that the sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Here you can see here that 59 plus 59 plus 59 is equal to 177 degree. That is not true. Okay, this is false statement. This is false statement. And now again this is false statement. Now again here we have given that a triangle can have two obtuse angles. Suppose you have given here a triangle and can have two obtuse angles. So here given a triangle, and here given that two obtuse angles. So we suppose that this angle is greater than right angle, and also this is greater than right angle. Then what will be this angles? So this is not true. Okay. Also this is false statement. Here you have given that this is false statement. Again you have given that in these statements, question number 3, part E, in an equilateral triangle, each side is of same measure. Here you have given that in this statement, that you have given that an equilateral triangle. Here suppose that this is an equilateral triangle, this is an equilateral triangle, each side is of same measures. So you know already that in equilateral triangle each side is equal. Okay, so all same measures, that is true statements. So this statement is true. Okay, so that's all. now again we have to solve question number 4. Here you can see question number 4. Here given that fill in the blanks. A. The greatest angle of a right angle triangle measures. So the greatest angle of a right angle triangle measures. Also this given that a right angle triangle in which this is a 90 degree. So the greatest degree of the right angle triangle is right angle. That means to call 90 degree. Okay. Again, you have to also write here 90 degree. 90 degree or right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. You have to also written as this type. And now again, our question number, part number B, question number 4. Here you have given that each angle of an equilateral triangle measures. So if your triangle is equilateral triangle, you know that in equilateral triangle, the trio sides of the triangle is same. That this is equal to this, and also both these equals to this. Okay. So in equilateral triangle measures each angle of an equilateral triangle measures. So in equilateral triangles each angle is 60 degree. Okay, because you know that the angle before the same sides also equal. So in equilateral triangles you know that all trio sides of the angle is same and also the angle is same. Okay, that is 60 degree. Now again, here we have given that if the length of the sides of a triangle are different, then it is called a triangle. Here you have given that this type of question. If the length of the sides of a triangle are different, suppose that this is a triangle, and length of the sides, this is not equal to this, and also this and this is not equal to this. Okay, the trio sides are different in this triangle. Then here given that if the length of the sides of a triangle are different, so here you can see that the length of the sides are different in this triangle, and also here say then it is called a scalene triangle, because you know that in scalene triangle the trio side of the angle the trio sides of the triangle is different. Okay. So again, problem number D. Here you have given that a right angle triangle cannot have an angle. So a right angle triangle cannot have an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle. You have to fill here obtuse angle, because you know that if the triangle is right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle, then the remaining two angles also became acute angle. Okay, by the definition, because the sum of the trio interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degree. So these two angles also acute angle. Okay. Again, now here problem number 5. You have given that here. Can you think of a triangle in which two altitudes of the triangles are two of its sides? Here given that can you think of a triangle in which two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides? Okay. Here a triangle in which two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides. This is the two altitudes of the triangle, and this is also the two sides of this triangle. Okay. Again, here you have given that problem number 6. Draw a rough sketch for the following triangles in PQR, RA, PS as median. Problem number 6. Here you have given that a triangle PQR. This is a triangle. Let's suppose that this is a triangle PQR, and we have to sketch also here. median as PS. So this is P, Q and R, and we have to also sketch median PS. So you can this type of you can draw or you can sketch this type of median. Okay, or if you have a figure this type of figure, and you know that P, Q, R, and you have to draw PS as median, then you can also draw it this type of median. Okay, that is PS. And also name here this point where this line touch this line or join this line, that is called point S, and it is also called PS as a median. Okay, again in B, in triangle ABC, AD, BE and CF as altitudes, and also find the orthocenter. You have find in this problem orthocenter. Now you have to also solve this problem B and C, and this exercise is finished. Again we have to started our next exercise, angle some property of a triangle. Here you have given that in this book a triangle, this type of triangle, and step first you have also the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree given that. Let us perform the following activity to verify the above property. So you have to solve it, and again next day we solve exercise 11.2 and some of examples of this exercise. Now time is over and we stop here our writing. Thank you children. Thank you.